Hey everyone, today I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Threads app. And here's how it is done. Access your profile. Open the Threads app. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile, you will see your follower count. Tap on this count to proceed. On the next screen, locate the following section and tap on it. You will see a list of all the accounts you currently follow. Threads doesn't offer a bulk unfollow option, so you'll need to manually unfollow accounts one by one. Tap the unfollow button next to each account's name to stop following them. For accounts with pending follow request, example, private accounts or those yet to join Threads, tap on the pending option at the top right corner. Scroll through the list and tap the Cancel All button at the bottom to clear all pending requests. Important notes. There is currently no way to unfollow all active Threads accounts in bulk. Each account must be unfollowed individually. Pending follow requests can be managed in bulk using the Cancel All option. By following these steps, you can effectively declutter your Threads following list and start fresh. And that is everything you need to know about how to unfollow everyone on Threads app. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.